All right, everybody, welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I recently did a review of a new style trucker cap that I got. As most of you guys know, my Boston Scally collection, the trucker cap from there is my favorite cap of all time. I love them in the summertime. And I did a review on an Overlord Heathcliff cap. I'm 1 for 1 on those. I got another one in today. Here's the box it came in. Overlord. And I like how they do the boxes. It's like kind of like an unveiling when you open it up and makes you feel all like giddy inside. But, you know, their caps that they have there are all like old style cartoons that bring back the nostalgia for those who are over the age of 40. Remember those cartoons? Like either it's Hanna-Barbera, you know, things like that. All those different characters, Wally Gator, Grape Ape, things like that. But yeah, so we got another one here. And they got the little nice seal on there as well. So we are going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. The official seal of the Overlord. And this is what you get on the inside here. As you can see, pretty cool, like unveiling type thing. I wish, you know, it'd be even cooler is if they actually had like a light go off and like the gold light goes, oh, you know. But yeah. So first of all, after school, when I was really young, I was a religious Flintstone watcher. And Barney Rubble was one of my favorite characters off that show. Not my favorite character. I do have my favorite character from Flintstones coming in. I did order that as well. But this is the trucker cap of Barney Rubble. Here it is here. Look at Barney there. You know, Fred. You know, it's Twinkle Toes Fred Bolin. But, you know, Barney, you know, you ever thought about like with Betty, Barney always got like the short end of the stick with Fred. You know, Fred was always like throwing Barney under the bus, you know, yo, Barn, you know, but yeah. So this is it here. It's going to take this cardboard out. Got the Overlord imprints on all throughout the cap. And we got the Flintstones little tag on there. I don't know if these are stickers or not. That'd be cool if they were. I don't think they're stickers. But Overlord. Got the little Overlord logo on there. OverlordCaps.com. You can purchase this there. Again, the Barney's got like the browns and blues and the yellow on the inside. Then unsnap this up a little bit because I got to go to the third one in, as I realized from the last one. But yeah, let's go ahead and try this bad boy on. Oh, it even's got the Flintstones patch on the inside there as well. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. And I think I got like 4 more caps coming all together. But here's the Barney Rubble. All right, this one here needs to be opened a little bit more. This one's a little more tight than the last one. No, I guess it was probably the right one. But that is the Barney Rubble Trucker Cap from Overlord Caps. So a little bit more of a close-up here. I like how that brown and blues go. It's pretty nice. But the nostalgia of these caps, I'm definitely going to be wearing these quite a bit here. In the summertime especially. These tags getting on my irritating head here. But yeah, so this is it. The Barney Rubble from Overlord Caps. They got several other cartoons from the 70s and 80s. I think they may have a few in the early 90s as well. It would be sweet if they came out with DuckTales. I'd be all over that. Or if they came out with Masters of the Universe. If they came out with Masters of the Universe, I would get every character, as that is my favorite cartoon of all time. But again, this is the Barney from Overlord. You can purchase it on their website. I'll put a link in the description. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.